Sarath. Welcome to Bharatiya Government and Private Jobs at our YouTube channel. So, in this video, I would like to communicate the whole job description in English because since most of the people are from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and also our new subscribers are also adding from different states. So, I would like to explain the job opportunities in English from this video. So, I hope you guys will enjoy my video. And if you like my video, please try to hit on the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And coming to the job opportunity, today we are seeing the Mindtree. This is a very good organization and it's a Larsen and Toubro Group company. Mindtree is. So when we come to the career, so Mindtree is offering 2021 off-campus hiring registrations. It's accepting. So we invite 2021 engineering graduates meeting the following criteria to apply. So first of all, who are eligible for this job? BE BTech 2021 pass out batch are called as a freshers. So they are eligible for this job. And also candidates who are from CSE, IT, and also similar background are eligible for this job notification. Coming to the graduation and also education qualification criteria, minimum education criteria is a graduation and also 60% of marks they should meet across 10th, 12th, and graduation. So let's see into the job description. First of all, they have provided the registration link and also the job description. Let's go to the job description. You can see a complete job description as a PDF page. When you open this page, you can able to see the compensation and benefits. Coming to the compensation, they are offering 4 lakhs per annum. The designation is a software engineer. The competency in the sense it's a band CI. Band CI in the sense the domain, the position which you are going to enter is a software engineer and it's a level band is a band CI. So the competency is called as a band CI. Coming to the stipend, during the training, you will get a stipend of 26,000 per month. And most of the guys will think that, this type of campus recruitments or this type of offline recruitments will usually have a service level agreement. But fortunately, Mindtree is not, asking any service level agreement for this. So there is no service agreement. And coming to the promotions and increments, it is based upon your performance once you join in the company. So for now, the salary package is 4 lakhs per annum. And coming to the eligibility criteria, they're asking graduates who qualified in BE and BTech. And mandatory percentage is like 60% or 6.0 CGPA and above they are asking. Coming to the 10th and 12th qualifications, also in your 10th and 12th, you need to cross 60% of marks. And in engineering, you shouldn't have any backlogs. Coming to the education gap, no education gap should be there. And also the IT streams are from information science and also computer science department. Circuit streams in the sense the similar streams you are also eligible for this job to apply. So you are eligible for electronics and communication background. If you are from electronics and communication background, you are eligible. Electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication engineering, and pure telecommunication engineering. So all these circuit streams candidates are also eligible to apply for this job opportunity. Coming to the hiring process, candidates who applied for this job, you'll receive an email, and that in that email you can have an aptitude test which is mentioned the same, and after that you'll have a coding test, and after that you'll have a technical discussion and later HR interview. Based on your overall performance and also overall this, after checking all these type of, going through this hiring process, you may get selected for this job and you may be granted with a package of 4 lakhs per annum initially, and the designation is a software engineer. For registration this, you need to click here, click on the registration link. So if you open that link, a page will be loaded, and also registrations last date is on May 24th 9 a.m. So try to apply to this job opportunity as soon as possible. Once you open the page, you will get a title Mr. or Mrs. or something you can give, and also your first name, last name, and your email ID should be very professional. That because why I'm saying is like you guys will have many email ID, so I suggest you to maintain one single email ID for all your jobs. Coming to your mobile number, you can give your mobile number, your date of birth, and also the university registration number, which is your hall ticket number or roll number, which is mentioned here. Your qualification, engineering college name, engineering college, state, district, engineering stream, year of passing. And based on the information, you can completely check all these details. I mean, when your pass out has been done, and also if you have any areas in the engineering, in the sense any backlogs, graduate percentage, 12th class, 10th class, you need to have minimum 60% of marks in that. So all these options you need to fill it and you need to submit on in the last So once you submit this option, once you submit this application, an email will be triggered to your email box, so you can check all there, and later based on that you can proceed for the further process. And coming to any other job opportunities, just you can look into our channel. You have an Accenture, Cisco, Amazon, Sutherland, IBM, Deloitte, Genpact, Amazon, and Cognizant. So you'll have all these opportunities. If you like to apply for any job, you can come to our channel. You can proceed. You can subscribe to our channel. You can hit and like, and also you can apply for any job opportunity in our channel. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy. You guys like this video. Please try to like and share video to all. Thank you, friends. This is your Sarah Chandra. Have a nice day.